In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Shopify 1099, a crucial document for tax season if you run a business on Shopify. Getting your 1099 form from Shopify might seem a bit daunting, but don't worry, it's actually a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. First, let's begin by going to Shopify's website and logging into your account. If this is your first time logging in today, or if you haven't logged in recently, make sure you have your login credentials handy, like your username and password. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the Shopify dashboard. This dashboard is the hub of all your activity and information, offering a comprehensive view of your store's performance and management. Now from the dashboard, what you want to do is navigate towards the settings option. This can usually be found at the bottom left corner of your dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the settings panel, as it contains a host of useful tools for managing varied aspects of your store. But for now, we're focusing on finding your 1099 form. Within the settings, look for an option labeled Billing or Payments. This section includes all the pertinent financial data related to your Shopify store, such as your payouts and billing history, and it's where we can track down the all-important 1099 form. On entering this section, keep an eye out for the Documents section. Clicking on this section will lead you to where your 1099 form is typically located. At this point, you should see a listing of available documents or forms for your account, including your 1099 if applicable. If you've had over 600 in sales over the year through Shopify Payments, your 1099 form should be here, ready to download. It's important to note that the availability of this form also depends on when Shopify generates it, usually aligning with tax season in the United States. Once you've located your 1099 form, go ahead and click on it to download. Be sure to save the file in a directory that you will remember, or perhaps create a special folder for all of your tax documents to ensure everything is organized. And there you have it. Now you've downloaded your Shopify 1099 form, making it easier for you to prepare for tax season. Be sure to cross-check all the details and figures outlined in the form to your own records for any discrepancies. If any questions or issues arise, don't hesitate to contact Shopify support for further assistance. Keeping your financial documents organized not only helps with taxes but also enables you to have a better understanding of the financial health of your business throughout the year. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more helpful tutorials and tips. See you next time.